What the facts you should know? You ever wonder what the moon smells like? I mean, we've all seen those breathtaking images of lunar landscapes, but let me tell you, when astronauts landed there, they reported something wild. The moon smells like gunpowder. Yeah, you heard me right. Gunpowder. So, picture this. Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin stepping out of the Apollo 11 module, taking those giant leaps for mankind. They gather moon dust, bring it back to the lunar module, and what do they find? A scent that's reminiscent of fireworks. But how does that even work? When they returned to the module, they couldn't quite put their finger on it at first. It wasn't until they took off their helmets and started examining the lunar dust that they noticed it. The fine particles clung to their suits, and as they dusted off, that unmistakable odor hit them. It was like the remnants of a fireworks display, but way more mysterious. Scientists believe this peculiar scent comes from the chemical reactions that happen when space dust interacts with the solar wind, the streams of charged particles emitted by the sun. This interaction creates unique compounds, which gives that gunpowder-like aroma. Can you imagine that? The moon, so silent and desolate, actually has a scent that ignites the imagination. But here's where it gets even crazier. The lunar surface is covered in a fine, powdery dust called regolith, which is made of tiny fragments of rock and minerals. This stuff is ancient, like billions of years old. And each time a spacecraft lands, or an astronaut walks, it kicks up this dust, releasing those compounds into the air. If there were air, that is. Yet, here's the kicker. The moon has no atmosphere. So how can it smell like anything at all? Well, astronauts can smell it when they bring the dust back into their sealed environment. And that's the essence of it. An otherworldly fragrance that's entirely alien, yet eerily familiar. Now, imagine being up there, surrounded by the vastness of space, the Earth a tiny blue dot in the distance, and catching a whiff of something that smells like the aftermath of a fireworks show. It's surreal, right? And this isn't just a quirky fact. The scent is a reminder of the incredible things we've discovered about our solar system. It makes you think about what else is out there. What other celestial bodies might have their own strange fragrances? Each planet, each moon, could be hiding its own secrets, just waiting to be uncovered. So, the next time you look up at the moon, remember, it's not just a glowing rock in the sky. It's a place that smells like gunpowder, a hint of adventure and mystery in the vastness of space. How wild is that?